Hello Exosolutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about data type casting. Now let's open the Apache NetBeans, and let's create new project. We will name the project as typecasting. Let's declare int is equals to 4. Float is equals to 6.02f. Double C is equals to the value of a that is converted to double. And int x is equals to the value of b that is converted to int. Let's print all the value of variables with this code using system.out.println. Now let's run it. As you can see on the output, the value of A is 4, the value of B is 6.02f, then the value of C is 4.0, because the value of A is casted as double, and the X's value is 6 because the value of B is casted as int. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.